Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. And if you're new here, my name is Emily and I love to make videos about fashion, jewelry, lifestyle, and anything magical. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions and unboxing, it's right here, of Ohm Beads February 2020 release. And I am so excited for this release. I saw a couple of teaser photos from Ohm and I just cannot wait to see these beads in person, play with them, design with them, and just get creative with them. So a huge thank you to Ohm Beads for sending me these beads to review, and a huge thank you to each and every one of you because I do not get these opportunities without all your love and your support. So thank you so, so much. And without further ado, make sure you grab a cup of tea. I'm drinking some, it's so good. Some Japanese Sencha. Actually, I have the tin right here so you can see it. And this is from DAVIDsTEA, so it's a green tea. And basically, what does DAVIDsTEA say? Sencha is Japan's most popular drink for a reason. It's refreshing, revitalizing, and utterly delicious. My Wisdom Fairy Godmother mug. So this was from Shop Disney. And they did this in December for their whole wisdom. This was the last component in the Wisdom collection. And on one side it says, even miracles take a little bit of time. And then over on the back, besides seeing my lipstick, there's the picture of the fairy godmother and Gus. So Gus. And Gus is actually probably my favorite Disney character. I just love him. I think he's the cutest and he's just the sweetest. All right, so I've already gone ahead and cut open the top of the envelope. So let's pull out this amazing packaging. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There's Ohm Beads stickers, you guys. There's Peace Alien. And this one, oh my goodness. I am so crazy excited for this bead. I'm actually really hoping that they included it. It's one of the Ohm Lab projects. And it's Little Red Riding Hood, so you can kind of see on the sticker, it's her and the wolf, and she's holding a little basket. And I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I actually love Little Red Riding Hood. Actually, I made an engagement dress for myself. I love to sew and stuff, and especially evening wear. And I did this whole red dress that was inspired by Little Red Riding Hood for our engagement photos, as well as back when I was in design school for fashion, I did a mini Little Red Riding Hood inspired collection. I think it was my first year of school, and so Little Red Riding Hood I am obsessed with. I don't know why, I just love Little Red Riding Hood ever since I was a little girl. So I love the story, and I mean it is kind of a dark story, and I kind of like that. I'm really into the dark fairy tale things, so excited to see this in person. All right, so we have two little Ohm packages, little pouches here. There's a small one here and a bigger one here. Let's go for the big one. We'll see what's in here. And you guys, Ella's here, by the way. I forgot to introduce her. She's just here chewing her bone. She really wanted to play with me, and I'm like, oh, Ella, I cannot play, I gotta film. So I gave her a little bone, and then we can play after, right, Ella? But anyway, let's dive in here. We have, speaking of Little Red Riding Hood, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, look at the feet of the wolf. Oh my gosh, and the tail goes around her. So dark. I love that, like, the wolf is almost like her cape and he's just eating her. The poor her and her grandmother. And her little, and she has the most adorable, sweet little face, and this wolf is just like, oh, but he has like X's over his eyes, so maybe he's already dead. The huntsman got him. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the fur detail on him. So cool. I love this. And the little feet detail on Little Red Riding Hood. And I like where they put their little Ohm logo. Oh my gosh, I love this bead so much, you guys. I'm so into fairy tales, so this is totally up my alley, but I just love that it has so much meaning for me, just from what I already told you guys. So I love this. I think this is awesome. I'm so excited to design with this. I can't believe this is mine. Thank you so much, Ohm. Oh my goodness. This first, I'll still do like a bit of a review. I'm gonna show you guys a design video, so stay tuned for that, but I think I can already tell you, like, this is probably my favorite bead from the February release. So cool. So this is an Ohm Lab project. I'll tell you more about the Ohm Lab and kind of inspiration behind this in the next video. For now, I'm just gonna give you some impressions and stuff, but oh my goodness, this is so cool. So cool. Okay. So that's there. Well, let's put her back in her little safe pouch. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to design with this. Okay, the boxes look really cool. That's all I can say. Like, look at this bright pink and gold. Oh my gosh. It's almost like a rosy gold. Or maybe it's just because it's light. it's probably a gold. So we have two beautiful fuchsia pink boxes. It's a gorgeous pink color, actually. I love the pink, but I'm a pink girl, so I totally would. And very suitable for February, being Valentine's Day. Let's open this first one. Here we go. This is Love Snap. Oh my gosh, look how cute it is. Oh my goodness. The hand detail is so cool. Even the fingers have little details and the little nails. Oh, and I like where they placed the little logo. It's so shiny. Oh my goodness, it's like so shiny and smooth, and like I can't believe how well like they like capture like the hand detail. Like, that is so cool. This is so neat, you guys. It's so different. I don't actually have anything like this in my collection, so it's very unique. And I like how they have little details on the knuckles. This is really cool. Okay, we're gonna put this one here. Okay, and last pink box. This is the other one I'm really excited for. It's called Kiss. It's a glass bead. Okay, but the detail of this is so cool because February in Canada, it's a very wintry month. There's lots of snow, it's kind of gloomy, it's kind of dark. And what I love about this bead is it has like kind of like a grayish dark, like in the core, I should say. And then it has these cute little red lips and red like kind of details going through it, and it looks really romantic and cozy and like just so cool. Like, it's so cool. Pandora had something similar to this. I think it came out last Valentine's Day, or was it 2 Valentine's Day ago? But I actually have to say I prefer this better because of the, number one, the classic Ohm glass bead shape, but I also just love the colors of it. I love that it's like this darker color inside with a little white. And that red is such a good red. I actually think this would look amazing with Little Red Riding Hood. I might want to get 2 of these actually. So, oh, you might get another order on, when this all releases, I might be ordering this because this is pretty cool and I think I want 2 of them. Then we have one more little pouch to open. And I think I know what this one is. Oh my goodness, you guys, it is the Ohmistry project. I am so excited for this one. It looks so adorable. And this totally makes me think of my friend Nicole, my Pandora Charmed Life, and Presley. I don't know why, but I feel like they're gonna love this because it is just so adorable, and I already love it, but it also just makes me think of them because it's just so sweet and cute. And this is an Ohmistry project, which was done with Svetlana, and then I think her Instagram handle is sweetminidollhouse. I think it's the same on her YouTube, and she does these gorgeous miniatures. Like, they're so cute and beautiful and fun, and I just love that Ohm did a collaboration with her because this is, oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see it. Just the box art alone looks super cute. So let's open this up. So we have the little paper. Sweetctus, oh my goodness, so cute. You can see a little detail on it of the charm and the bead. It looks so adorable. And this is limited edition, so there's only 111 made for any of the Ohmistry projects that are released. And oh my gosh, it's so crazy cute. I love this so much. So this will release at a later date. So it won't be releasing with the other items you've just seen. So it'll be something that you'll want to keep an eye out for if you really want it, because there's only 111. But oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love that it's a cactus, and then it's also an ice cream cone. It's so adorable, and it's like kind of melting, and it's kind of prickly. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. I will have to think about where I want to put this, because I can't think of a design I already have that I would add it to. So it'll be really fun to do a fresh, like, new design with this. And I was just talking to Nicole, actually, my friend, and then Angie, Daily Charm Addict and Charm Dreamer. saying that I don't really have like a proper summer bracelet. I think every year I try to do one, but it just never happens. I need a summer bracelet, so maybe this will actually go on a summer themed bracelet. So I'm really, really excited to play around with this, and it's super cute. I love all the cone details on it, like that little smiley face is just so cute. So Presley, if you're watching, you'll have to let me know if you love this, because it is so cute and it totally makes me think of you. So that's it for this unboxing slash first impressions. I am really excited for this release. I'm really excited to play around with these beads. Love Snap is really cool, and it's something really different. I don't think this would be something that I would like pick out for myself right away, but I actually kind of love it, and I love how unique the hand details and everything are, and it will pair beautifully with their glass bead kiss. So I definitely think I'm going to be purchasing a second one of these just because it's such a cool one, but it's one of those ones that it's so unique that I feel like you almost want to have two of them. Just to like balance it out. Like, I love my symmetry, as you guys know, so this one is really, really cool, and I love the details. So the February release will, it's actually live on the Ohm Beads website as of January 30th, and then Sweetctus will be releasing on January 31st. I think it's 8 p.m. Ukraine time, so I'm not sure what that is in Canadian time, but I will look it up. So I'm really excited for this release too, and I'm really excited to design with this. So anyway, you guys, I got a little bit more tea to finish off. Gonna play with Ella now, give you some love because I know I've been busy. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.